Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install MySQL 8.0.40 on Debian 12 operating system. First, open any web browser, then go to mysql.com. Click on downloads, click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.40. If you are unable to find here, you can click on this archives. Okay, then select the operating system, Debian Linux. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 470 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL server 8.0.40 tar file. We have to untar this file. tar-xf, give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the Debian packages. We have to install these packages. But before installing, we have to install following. But before installing them, we have to install the following packages: sudo apt install lib aio-dev, then macap-ipadic-utf8. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter, type and hit enter. It is done. Ctrl L, ls. Now install MySQL 8.0.40. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. So if you give star.deb means it installs all Debian packages. Hit enter. Now set the password for MySQL root account. Hit enter, confirm the same. Done. See, MySQL 8 uses new authentication based improved SSH based password methods. Okay, select tab, give the tab to OK and hit enter. See here we have two methods: use strong password encryption and use legacy authentication method. It is up to you. Then click on OK. Okay, Ctrl L, we have successfully installed MySQL server. Now verify the status of MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL, hit enter. See, MySQL service is running and it is enabled. Q to quit. Now connect to MySQL server. Ctrl L, MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of the MySQL root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server version 8.0.40. Let us verify the version of the MySQL server that we have installed. This is just confirmation. See, we have installed MySQL 8.0.40. Now verify the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. Show databases. See, these are the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. So create a database, create database, again verify. See, new database is there. Ctrl L. Now switch to this new database. Now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. So create a table and insert some data into this table. Now verify again. Now insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these 3 rows. Okay, now we will see how to create a user in MySQL. So users, this won't work. Hit enter. Now create a user. Create user. Now verify again. So I haven't verified, so let me verify. Select user from mysql.user. See, new user James is created and remaining users are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So exit from this user, that current user, that is root account. Now connect to MySQL with new user. MySQL -u, new user name is James -p, then provide the new user password. Now verify the current user. See, we have connected with the new user. Now try to switch to or connect to database. See, we are unable to connect with the new user because we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges to this user. That's why we are unable to connect to this database. Exit. Okay, now we will see how to start and restart MySQL on Debian operating system. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is running, so stop it. Sudo now verify again. See, MySQL service is stopped. Control L. Also, we can verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Now verify again. See, MySQL server is started 2 seconds ago. Now restart. Okay, we have successfully restarted. Okay, and ls. See, these files are not required anymore, so remove them to clear the space. rm star.deb ls, remove this one also. MySQL, give the tab to autofill, hit enter. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect to MySQL server by using MySQL workbench. Now click on downloads. Again go to MySQL community downloads. MySQL, see here we have the MySQL workbench. You have to download this one. Okay, and another tool is dbeaver. Go to dbeaver.io. You have to download this tool to connect to MySQL. You can search my YouTube channel how to install dbeaver on MySQL workbench and Linux operating system. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on Debian 12 operating system. But the process is same for all Debian operating systems. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.